When you take a picture in your phone, your device adds extra details inside that picture. These extra details are called metadata. Metadata may include your GPS coordinates, the camera model and settings, the exact date and time when the photo was taken, and even the software that was used to edit the photo. Hackers and ENT investigators can track your location and activity by using this metadata. Now, some sites like Instagram or Facebook strips away the metadata when you upload a photo, but when you upload a picture on Google Drive or Dropbox, the metadata remains. So it is always better to remove the metadata before uploading a picture online. So that's what we're going to be learning in this video. We're going to be learning how to remove metadata from an image. So let's see how we can do this on our Linux. So I'm in my Kinks right now. I have downloaded a picture from the internet. First, let's find the metadata of this photo. So I'll open my terminal and type the command ExifTool. This tool is already pre-installed in your system, space, the path to the file. And if I press enter, I get the metadata of this photo. I can see which camera was used to take this picture. I also get the exact model name, the software that was used to edit this picture. If I scroll down under Date Time Original, I can see exactly when this photo was taken. I also get the camera settings of the photo. And if I scroll more down, I get the GPS coordinates with which I get to know exactly where the photo was taken. By pasting the GPS coordinates on Google Maps, I get the exact location where the picture was taken. It's in London, Milk Street. So as you can see how scary it is for the metadata to be included in your photo. Now let's learn how to remove the metadata so that these informations cannot be extracted. But before we do that, if you want to get comfortable with the terminal commands, then click the first link in the description box and you will get the complete Kel Learning cheat sheet for beginners. This cheat sheet has all the commands that you need to become comfortable with the terminal. So if you get stuck, you can quickly refer to this cheat sheet. So click the first link in the description box to get this cheat sheet. Now, to remove metadata from an image, type ExifTool space dash all equals sign space overwrite underscore original space followed by the path to the file. And I can see a new file has been created. When you override the file, it creates a backup. This backup file will end in original. This file will include the metadata and the name of the original file, like cat.jpg. The metadata has been stripped, and you can share this file on the internet. I can confirm with the ExifTool again, and I can see the additional data like the location, camera model, date, and time has been removed. If I check the backup file, I can see all the metadata is present, so do not share this file with anyone. And if I check the picture, I can see the resolution remains intact. Only the metadata has been removed. So that is the end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.